In this video, we're going on an adventure to learn how to find the best dropshipping products that will make your online store a top place to shop. Picture your store as a chest full of treasures where every new product is a big hit. Sounds like a dream? Well, it's not. With the right know-how, you can make this happen. Say hello to John, who is full of energy and ready to start his own dropshipping business. But when it's time to pick his products, he feels overwhelmed with all the choices. He's worried about choosing products that his customers might not like. Like a lot of business owners, John is at a point where he needs to make important decisions right away. Welcome to Millionaire Ventures Online, your beacon in the world of business. We're here to show you how to find those great dropshipping products. The ones that people will not just look at, but actually buy. Hit that subscribe button so you won't miss these tips. As we go through the ways to find best-selling products, you'll learn how to make choices that reflect the success stories of dropshipping. But we're not just looking for any products, we're looking for the perfect ones. The kind that speaks to what your customers want and need, making them eager to hit that buy now button. Our goal is to make your store the one everyone's talking about, the place where products are snatched up as soon as they're put up for sale. Let's figure this out together. We'll check out different methods of finding products, showing you how to spot these items, with examples from the real world to guide you on your dropshipping journey. Stick with us as we map out the route to products that don't just match well with your audience, but also send your sales soaring. Research strategies, analyzing trends. Jumping into what's hot right now can be like finding the key to a hidden chest of gold. With tools like Google Trends, you get a sneak peek at what's grabbing people's attention. But the trick isn't to just follow the crowd. You need to be one step ahead, ready to move fast. For example, if resistance bands suddenly become the new big thing because everyone's into getting fit, you've got to be quick but also smart about it. Here's how you can play this smart. First, look at the trend and think, is this just a quick craze or is it here to stay? You want to invest in trends that won't just disappear tomorrow. Then, find resistance bands that aren't just like the rest. Maybe they have a special feature or they're made with better material. After that, come up with cool and fun ways to show how your bands fit right into the fitness craze. Maybe you can post videos or articles that show how they work and why they're awesome. Doing this means you're not just another voice in the crowd. You're the one leading the pack by showing off something cool and different in what's trending. This isn't just about keeping up with the latest talk. It's about being the one who starts the talk. It's about finding those special things that make people say, "Wow, I need that." And showing them why your product isn't just another one on the shelf. It's about connecting with people in a way that's real and fun, giving them something that fits their life and the latest trends. Competitor analysis. Competitor analysis is like playing detective but in the world of business. You're not just watching what the top sellers are doing, you're figuring out how to do it smarter and better. Let's say you spot that a competitor's funky phone cases are selling like crazy. You don't want to just do the same thing, you want to up your game. Here's how you can leapfrog the competition. First up, do some digging to see why everyone loves those phone cases so much. Is it because they're cheaper, look cool, or because the competitor has a killer way of selling them? Next, don't just settle for what's already out there. Look for cases that are a notch above in quality, or give your customers the chance to make them their own with personalized designs. Then, put on your marketing hat and figure out how to tell the world that your cases are the ones to beat. Show off the extra touches that make your cases stand out from the crowd. This isn't about copying what's out there. It's about taking a winning recipe and adding your own secret sauce to make it even better. And when it comes to challenges, we're not backing down. We'll face them straight on. You want to stand out, right? So, we'll make sure your products and your pitch to customers are as unique as you are. Dive deep into the feedback sea. Look beyond the star ratings and read the stories. What are customers repeatedly praising? Is it durability, style, or maybe the service they received? Now, don't just stack your shelves with these well-loved items. Ensure they resonate with what your store stands for. If you're all about eco-friendly living, a top-rated product that's not environmentally friendly won't do, no matter how many stars it has. Bring in a review system to your own site that's more than just ratings. Encourage detailed testimonials, photos from customers, and even video reviews. This transparency builds trust and gives your shoppers the confidence to hit buy. Look for the problems customers are talking about. Maybe they wish a product had a better grip or came in more colors. Use your descriptions to address these points. Tired of phone cases that slip? Our new range comes with a non-slip grip that's also stylish. Scouring through reviews is not just about picking the best of the bunch. It's about understanding what makes them the cream of the crop. By aligning these findings with your store's mission and messaging, you're not just selling products. You're delivering solutions that fit your customers' needs like a glove. This method doesn't just sell a product, it sells an experience that's been tailor-made to your audience's desires. Social media buzz. Social platforms are the pulse of the people, showing us what's loved and shared. Yet, the key to leveraging this buzz is not just to follow but to lead with creativity. Here's how. Identify trending products, then offer a unique twist or an additional benefit. Use influencer partnerships to showcase these products in a new light. Run interactive social media campaigns that make your products the stars of the story. It's about being the trendsetter, not just a follower on social media platforms. Where to find products? AliExpress. AliExpress is your online bazaar, but the trick is to navigate beyond the hot selling list. Dig deeper to find those hidden jewels that offer something more. Here's a step-by-step strategy. Analyze the customers also viewed section for less obvious choices. Look for products with high ratings but fewer orders, they could be untapped gold mines. Test the waters with a small batch to validate demand before going all in. SaleHoo. With SaleHoo, you're looking for the gap, products in demand but not oversaturated in the market. Here's how to find them. Use their market research labs to get insights into less competitive niches. Spot opportunities for bundling products to increase perceived value. Engage with their community forums to get insider tips on upcoming trends. Oberlo. For Shopify enthusiasts, Oberlo is the gateway to product discovery. But there's a strategy to it. Use Oberlo's data to spot rising stars in the product world. Look for products with proven sales but not mainstream yet. Watch Oberlo's product statistics to track and anticipate sales trends. Scouting winning products isn't about casting a wide net, it's about casting the right one. By integrating trend analysis, competitive insights, customer feedback, and social media cues, you're not just finding products. You're curating a narrative for your store that customers will love. With AliExpress, SaleHoo, and Oberlo, your toolkit is ready to draft a bestseller story. Ready to start? Your first winning product might just be a click away. Join us next time as we delve deeper into optimizing your store for maximum conversions. Remember, the e-commerce ocean is wide, but with the right strategies, you'll not only navigate it, you'll conquer it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more treasure maps to success. Here's to your success. May your store's inventory be as bountiful as it is profitable. Happy dropshipping!